My name is Erich Niederlehner, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney in Florida and Alabama. My primary office is in Pensacola, Florida, but I also have satellite offices in Mobile, Alabama, Fairhope, Alabama, Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and Panama City, Florida. We serve the Gulf Coast, and we're here to help you in both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So if you're thinking about bankruptcy, give us a call. Our toll-free number is 877-607-2228, and our website is shouldifileforbankruptcy.com. This is the bankruptcy video blog, and today we're going to talk about what happens after you receive a discharge in a bankruptcy. And a discharge is what the judge enters at the end of your case saying all your debts are discharged, and that's a permanent injunction against your creditors from trying to collect on the debt. So they can't call you, sue you, report to the credit bureaus that you owe the debt. It's discharged. It's gone. And the first thing that you need to do after you get your discharge is pull your credit report. Now, the credit report I pull for my clients does have credit monitoring on it for 3 months, so they can use that. But if yours doesn't, you need to go to annualcreditreport.com. That's annualcreditreport.com. 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 That's the government's website. You get one free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And you're entitled to that credit report one time each year. You don't get your credit score, you just get your credit report. But pull your credit report and review it. Check it for inaccuracies. When you file bankruptcy, the creditor is no longer allowed to report to the credit bureau that this debt is owed, that you missed a payment, the payment's late. Anything from the date that you file on is off limits, and all it should say is debt included in bankruptcy or discharged in bankruptcy, and show a zero balance that you don't owe it anymore. If it says something, if there's a balance or it's saying opened or something of that nature, then you need to dispute that with the credit bureaus. And each one of the 3 major credit bureaus has ways that you can dispute it. You can do it online or do it by mail. I recommend that you do not do it online, that you write them a letter explaining the problem and send documentation supporting your position. Send them the discharge and the bankruptcy. Send them the schedules showing that, you know, this creditor was listed in your bankruptcy. They'll receive that information and send it by mail. Send it return receipt requested and send it by mail. And they'll get it. They'll open an investigation and say, hey, Mr. Creditor, you're reporting a balance of whatever, and this debt supposedly was reported in or included in the bankruptcy. What say you? And they'll say, oh yeah, we're sorry, we made a mistake, and they should zero it out and put included in bankruptcy or discharged in bankruptcy on your credit report. Then, once they make that change, you're entitled to another free credit report. So take advantage of that, get that new credit report, review it, make sure that it is reporting accurately now, and double check and make sure nothing else is being reported inaccurately. And stay on it. Like I said, you're entitled to one free credit report each year from annualcreditreport.com, and I encourage you to take advantage of that and each year pull your credit report. Make sure everybody's reporting accurately. Look for identity theft. Maybe somebody gets your social and is opening up accounts all over the place. But protect your credit and help rebuild your credit by getting everybody to report accurately to the credit bureaus. So down the line, when you go to buy the big ticket item like a car or a house, everything's correct on your credit report, and hopefully your credit score is at a better place than when it was when you filed bankruptcy. But it's up to you. Nobody's going to do this for you. You need to be proactive and stay on top of things and be aggressive about making sure everybody reports correctly to your credit to the credit bureaus. Again, if you're thinking about bankruptcy, give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you. We offer free consultations. Our fees are fair, reasonable, and affordable. We offer payment plans, and we're happy to talk to anybody in one of our 5 offices or on the phone doing a phone consultation. To schedule an appointment or to give our office a call, our number is toll-free. It's 877-607-2228. And our website has a wealth of information on it, probably the most informative in the area. And it's shouldifileforbankruptcy.com. That's shouldifileforbankruptcy.com. Again, this is Erich Niederlehner, and thank you for watching the Bankruptcy video blog.